This is Hollywood coming at you with your market update. This week brought a mix of economic data with rates holding steady, while the new labor and inflation reports gave us more insight into where the economy may be headed. Treasury and mortgage rates were relatively unchanged, with the 10-year Treasury holding around 4.1%, helping keep mortgage rates from making any big moves. We also got updated labor data from the JOLTS report, which tracks how many open jobs employers are trying to fill. November job openings came in at 7.4 million, which is below the expectations, a sign that hiring demand is starting to cool. October job openings were also revised lower, dropping to 7.4 million from 7.6 million, reinforcing the idea that companies aren't hiring as aggressively as they were earlier. Another key report is the ISM Service Index, which measures activity across the service based economy. That came in at 54.4, and since the readings are above 50, that signals growth and tells us the economy is still expanding. Within that same report, prices paid fell to 64.4 from 70, suggesting businesses are seeing less pressure from rising costs, and that encouraging sign that inflation may be easing. Housing policy also made headlines this week as President Trump proposed limiting large investors from buying single family homes. A fun fact on this: large investors that would be restricted make up about 3% of home purchases. Not that much of a needle mover, but still could help. So, what does this mean for buyers? Rates have stayed relatively stable, but the combination of cooling labor data and easing inflation pressures is exactly what the Fed watches when setting policy. And what does it mean for homeowners? Well, if these trends continue, it could help create opportunities if rates begin to shift lower. If this is something that you see could benefit you as a buyer refinancing, the bottom line is that rates are steady for now and incoming economic data to shape expectations, and the market can respond quickly as new information comes out. Connect with me if you want to talk through what this could mean for a purchase or refinance. Brent Schreers with Cross Country Mortgage. I'm always here to help my clients. Thank you and have a great day.